Hey friends, welcome to English Podcast with Alice. This is the place where we learn real, simple English step by step, slowly, and clearly. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new story. And now, let me ask you something. Do you remember your first day at university? Were you excited, nervous, lost? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear your story too. Today is my first day at the University of London. Let's go. The room is dark, but soft yellow light comes through the window. I open my eyes slowly, and I see the ceiling above me. For a moment, I forget where I am. Then I remember, today is the day, my first day, at the university, and I'm in London. I sit up slowly. My heart is beating fast. I feel nervous, excited, a little scared. Next to me, on the other side of the room, Emma is still sleeping. She is my roommate. And my first friend here, Emma, is from the UK, but not from London. She moved here for university too. We met just 2 days ago, but it already feels like I've known her for years. I quietly climb out of bed, trying not to wake her. I walk to the small sink and splash cold water on my face. Suddenly, I hear a sleepy voice behind me. Emma, half asleep, friendly.
Morning, Alice. Big day, huh?
I smile. Yes, big day. She stretches, then stands up beside me. We brush our teeth, side by side, just like sisters. There's something comforting about not being alone this morning. We walk to the shared kitchen. It's still quiet. Only a few people are awake. Emma puts the kettle on. I sit by the window. She hands me a cup of tea. Milk, no sugar, just how I like it. We sit in silence for a moment, watching the trees outside sway in the morning breeze. Then Emma turns to me, Emma smiling, and says,
You ready?
I nod. But inside, I don't know. I feel like a small boat in a big ocean. Emma sees my face. She puts a hand on my shoulder.
You're not alone. We've got this.
Her words make me feel safe. We leave the dorm together. It's cool outside. Emma wraps her scarf around her neck, and I zip up my jacket. We walk to the bus stop. The street is busy now. People rushing, buses, cars, bikes. Emma chats about her hometown. It's small, green, quiet. London feels loud sometimes, but also full of life. We both laugh softly. We board the bus, sit near the window. I hold my bag tight, and Emma leans her head against the glass. We don't say much, but the silence feels peaceful. The bus stops. We step off together. In front of us is the university. Big gates, old buildings, students everywhere. I freeze for a moment. Emma nudges me gently.
Come on, brave girl.
We walk through the gate. My heart is racing. People are talking, laughing, taking pictures. Some look just as nervous as me. We check the notice board. My name, room 204. Emma's class is in the next building.
I'll meet you at the cafe later. Okay?
I nod. Okay. She gives me a big smile.
You'll be fine.
Then she walks away. I take a deep breath and head toward my room. My first class. My first real step. I walk into the classroom. Room 204. The door's half open. I step inside slowly. There are about 20 students, some already sitting, some still finding seats. The room smells like new books and fresh whiteboards. I look around. No one I know. No Emma. I sit in the second row. Not too close to the front. Not too far in the back. I place my notebook on the table. Open my pen. Take a deep breath. The professor walks in. He's wearing glasses, holding a big stack of papers. He smiles.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your first lecture.
I smile back. Just a little. My hands are cold, but I try to stay calm. The professor speaks clearly, but fast. I try to listen, but my brain feels slow. I write down some notes, but I miss a few things. The girl next to me writes quickly. I glance at her notebook. So many words. So fast. I feel small again. Then the professor asks a question. No one answers. He waits, then calls on me.
Alice, what do you think?
My heart jumps. I try to speak, but my voice is quiet. I say something simple. Not perfect. The professor smiles.
Good try. That's a thoughtful start.
Everyone looks forward again. I breathe out. Slowly. That wasn't so bad. After class, I walk outside. I see Emma waiting by the cafe. She waves at me.
There she is. How was it?
I walk to her slowly. My face says everything. She laughs softly, hands me a warm coffee. We sit on a bench near the fountain. It was okay, but I was nervous.
Same. My professor talked like a train.
We both laugh. She tells me about her class. New faces, new energy. We sit there, talking, watching students pass by. It feels better, being together. Later, we head to the common area. Some students are talking, others on laptops. Emma nudges me.
Let's go say hi to someone.
I hesitate, but I follow her. We walk over to two girls sitting by the window. Hey, mind if we join you? They smile and nod. We sit down. One girl is from Spain, the other from Nigeria. They ask us where we're from.
I'm from Yorkshire, and Alice just arrived from abroad.
They both smile warmly.
Wow, London must feel so big, right?
I nod. Yes, it really does. We talk about the weather, the classes, how hard it is to understand the British accent sometimes. We all laugh. And just like that, I feel a little less alone. After lunch, Emma and I walk around the campus. Big trees, old buildings with vines, small benches under shade. We walk slowly, taking it all in. We visit the library. It's quiet, peaceful, rows and rows of books.
This is where I'll live during exam time.
I laugh. I already feel behind.
We'll help each other.
We pass the student center. Music playing, posters on the walls. I take a flyer about a book club. Emma sees a notice for yoga classes. We both smile. London isn't just big. It's full of possibilities. Back in our dorm, I lie on my bed. Emma is in her pajamas, reading something on her laptop. I open my phone and call home. My mom answers quickly.
Hi, Alice. How was your first day?
I try not to cry, but my eyes feel full. It was a lot, but I'm okay. I tell her about the classes, the coffee with Emma, the funny moment with new friends. She listens quietly, nodding, smiling.
We're so proud of you. We miss you.
I miss you too. Emma looks up from her laptop, gives me a warm smile, then goes back to reading. She knows what I feel. Without saying anything, later that night, the room is dark, but we're both still awake. Emma is lying on her bed, scrolling through her phone. I'm staring at the ceiling, thinking about everything. Suddenly, she speaks.
You know what?
What? I ask.
I already forgot what my professor said today. I think I was too busy panicking.
I laugh quietly. Same here. I was nodding like I understood. But inside, I was dying. Emma giggles.
I saw a guy write 5 pages of notes. I wrote a heading.
We both laugh softly, trying not to wake the neighbors. There's a short silence. Then Emma says,
But hey, we made it through day 1, say.
Barely, I say, smiling.
Still counts.
She replies. She turns over on her side, her face lit slightly by her phone screen.
You know, I'm really glad I got you as a roommate.
I smile in the dark. Me too.
You're like the calm to my crazy, and you're the loud to my quiet.
We both laugh again. It feels easy, like home. Emma sighs.
We're gonna be fine, you know. It's just the beginning.
I nod. Yeah, I think we'll be okay. The room grows quiet again. Emma turns off her phone. I pull the blanket up to my chin. Outside, I hear a distant siren, a dog barking far away, and the soft humming of the city at night. I take a deep breath. My eyes feel heavy, but my heart feels light. I think about everything today. The classroom, the strangers who became almost friends, the coffee with Emma, and my call with Mom. This city is big, loud, and strange. But tonight, in this little dorm room, I feel safe. I close my eyes and whisper softly, "Good night, London. See you tomorrow. So, that was my first day. It wasn't perfect. It wasn't easy. But it was real. And honestly, that's enough for me. There will be more days like this. Some harder, some better. But for now, I'll sleep with a smile. What about you? Can you remember your first day in a new place? Maybe school, maybe work, maybe even your first day in a new city. Tell me in the comments. I really want to know. And if you're also starting something new, just remember, you are not alone. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next story. Good night, friends.